Good morning, dear students. Welcome to your English class. Dear kids, hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Students, today we will solve complete exercise A from book page number 78, and here's the exercise A of unit 15, lesson 2, listen and speak. Unit 15, lesson 2, listen and speak. Exercise A is listen to the instructions, color the picture using the colors below. Dear kids, look here are the colors. And here's the picture. We have to color the picture using these colors. Okay, look here. These are the people's camel, snake, and here's the palm tree, and here's the box on camel, and in the box here's the snake. Now kids, we have to color the picture. Here are some colors, these same colors: black, brown, black, red, green, orange, and yellow, red. These all are the colors are here. We have to color in the picture. Let's start. Here's the camel, and what's the color of camel? The camel's color is brown. Color the brown in camel like that. Kids, you have to complete exercise A. Color the picture using these colors. Kids, it's the camel, and the camel's color is brown. What's the color of snake? And kids, here's the snake. The snake's color is black. Do black color in snake. Now here's the tree. Do brown color in trunk of palm tree. Now green color in leaves. You have to complete the picture with colors like that. Okay kids, now it's your turn to complete exercise A from book page number 78. You have to color the picture using the colors below like that. Allah Hafiz.